Welcome. Let's review the simple steps needed to prepare your quick fix urine. We'll show you how to validate your batch, heat up quick fix, and keep it warm all day. When you buy from urinelux.com directly, you won't need to verify your batch. First, find the batch code placed on either the bottle, instructions, or box. Enter the unique code into the batch validator to verify if it's good to use, expired, or potentially counterfeit. If it does not come up as valid, check for mistakes or reply to the automated form to submit more info to our customer service to help you. Next up is heating your quick fix. Loosen the lid on the bottle and place it in the microwave for 10 seconds. For the belt kit, place the entire bladder in the microwave. If the temperature strip is black, let it rest to cool down in a matter of seconds. Tighten the lid and then shake the bottle or bladder to even out the temperature of the liquid. Before using quick fix synthetic urine, make sure the temperature strip indicates 98 degrees Fahrenheit with the green dot. Lastly, if you are not using the urine right away, attach the hand warmer on the bottle with the rubber band provided or place the adhesive hand warmer onto the belt kit. This will keep your synthetic urine at body temperature for up to 5 hours, so you can have quick fix ready to use all day. Thanks to our customers trusting in us the most, Spectrum Labs has been #1 for almost 3 decades. Thank you for choosing us, and good luck with your quick fix. Shop at urinelux.com for your detoxing and novelty needs.